Welcome back. We're going to continue on with some gas laws. This one's going to focus on standard temperature and pressure and also Dalton's law of partial pressures. We're going to do problems 101 and 109. Both appear on page 221 in your textbook. 101 reads, how many moles of gas are present in 11.2 liters at STP? Okay, well, first of all, what is STP? STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 0°C, 273 Kelvin, and pressure is 1 atmosphere, which we know is 760 millimeters of mercury. Okay, now in this problem 101, we're looking at trying to determine how many moles of gas are present in 11.2 liters. Well, we know at STP, 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters. Okay, so if we have 11.2 liters and we know that 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters at STP, this ends up giving us a half a mole, and that's exactly our answer, half a mole. Okay, looking at 109. Reads, an air tank contains a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen at a total pressure of 4.3 atmospheres. If the partial pressure of nitrogen is 0.92 atmosphere, what's the partial pressure of oxygen in the tank? All right, well, Dalton's law tells us that the partial pressure of all gases will sum up to be the absolute pressure in the vessel. So really these pressures are all additive. Okay, so in this case we have a total pressure, and it's going to be the sum of the partial pressure of nitrogen and the partial pressure of oxygen. We know that the total pressure here is 4.3 atmospheres. We don't know the partial pressure of nitrogen, but we do know that the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.92 atmospheres. We scroll down so we have some space. If we do this math, we find that the partial pressure of nitrogen is going to be 3.38 atmospheres. So as you can see, these STP problems and the Dalton's law of partial pressure are very simple, but these are concepts that you should know conceptually as well, not just be able to do the problem. I hope you found this useful.